What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and as you can tell, background has changed again. So this time, this is probably the one that's gonna stay on, because this is, well, what my room looks like now. As you know, what I said in the last video, my room's getting decorated, and it has been decorated enough for my setup to be moved back in. It's still got a few more things to go, like that cabinet's moving, and my brother's desk is going there, which is the same one as mine, but he had his first, and I was getting rid of that desk anyway, so my mum just thought I could get that one. But I love it. It's just like smaller leg room and length of it. So this is what the new setup looks like. And yeah, it's gonna be a picture because it's already starting to get messy already. So yeah, let's go. There is some stuff still in that bag, but they're just like small things, so they're not gonna go up. So yeah, here's what it looks like. Yeah, so here's the screen that right now Streamlabs is on. Got my webcam up there. I've moved that a bit more this way, so it's like here now instead of there. Got my main monitor, which is an LG one. LG one has got a remote, which is right here. Got a ring light now. Well, I've had this, but now it's on a tripod on the other side. It looks bright, but it's not really. It's there, and my camera's there. So yeah, got a headset stand, which I am wearing that right now. Got a like thingy there for stuff. Got one on that side. The headset stand was there, but now it's on that side because I'll end up hitting my head off it, and I do not want to do that. Got my computer down there. It's got a Lewis Hamilton monster in it. It's not full, by the way. Got a keyboard, mousepad, and mouse. So yeah, it's a double monitor still. Got an Amazon Echo Dot there. And yeah, so as you've seen, and yeah, absolutely love this desk. I feel like at first, when I first built it, I felt like taking this off, but then it would be, it's high now, but I can like sort of get higher, if you know what I mean. Not in a weird way, bad way. Here's another picture of it from a different angle. It's a bit more blurry. Cable management, as you can tell, isn't that good. Actually, I'm pretty sure it's got worse. Yeah, it's got well worse. There's like a little, like, sort of stand there. It's like a mini version of that, but underneath. All the extension leads on there. It was down there, but I didn't like it down there. So yeah, it's on there. And yeah, that is just horrible. And yeah, here's it from a different angle. Got the ring light there. That tripod, absolutely love it. It's helpful for my it's helpful for my phone, It's helpful for my phone, helpful for my ring light. So yeah, I'm gonna go off this because the number, I had to send this to my sister's old number and the number's still on there. And I don't want to risk leaking it in case it does get used again. Yeah, I would have literally leaked it on the spot right there. So yeah, today we'll be playing Euro Truck Sim. As you know, this game is literally basically what my channel is now. So yeah, and before this video, well, the day before this video, I brought some DLCs to customize the trucks. It's done this painful thing again. This hoodie is a lifesaver. If I didn't have this, what? I look so weird in this camera. Right, I'm never gonna do that again. I don't. Yeah, my hair is wet, so it's not extremely wet, but it is wet. This, I don't know whether it's better or worse. It feels good though. So yeah, I've literally had this set up for just a night, but now I'm off school, so I'll literally be on it every single day. I was going to be going to help my dad with some work, but I knew I'd just like want to go home straight away. So I did leave him for that, but he was fine with it because he would have probably got it finished quicker before, well, without me being there. So yeah, this is my Volvo. Of course, my main truck is a Scania, but yeah, I'm in a Volvo, so yeah. Istanbul, Turkey. I'm writing that down again. That's what it is. It's like. So yeah, let's drive. You know, I'm taking my hood down. It feels weird. So yeah, it has got stacks on it, and it has got oh my god, I don't know what this video is going to turn out like, because I've literally I've not filmed a test or anything. This is just raw footage. Yeah, so this is what it looks like on the outside. It's a Volvo FH16 750. A Volvo FH16 750. Inside, standard, got a Volvo light. And shall we do a drop in this? I think we should. have got a Merc, if you don't know what I mean, a Mercedes, but yeah, I have got one of them. Just... I'll try and get a short job so that we can do a job in the Mercedes as well. But I don't want to do too short. I could also use my own trailer. Yeah, you know what, let's do. Yeah, let's do it. And once we're out of there. I did also try playing on automatic, not automatic, on the one where you have to do your gates. So. I know, I forgot how to, literally forgot how to drive them. Should have put on the turner. I'll try and do this without looking back. Shall we give it a little flash? No, not flash. I could do a flash. Shall we do a little sound of the horns? Oh, I thought this is the one with thingy. With the like horn blasters or whatever they're called. Let's do a flash. Let's go. Let's slow. Okay, you guys did not see that. I've got some traffic lights near mine, and they are terrible. So these are better. The ones that are near mine in my school, they're horrible. If I was in Scania, I think I probably would have taken that. I got real cocky and I fucked up. I don't think you want to see what it looks like. I think it looks good. sugar. Don't clap your hands. Okay, that clearly did not get stuck. It's like I've been getting the speed. And I'll put cruise control on. I still need to do this. Right, you know what? I really need to sort out this stuff. I mean, this driving. It's not the height that I like. I prefer either the monitors to be lower or the chair to be higher. Oh, I clicked on the radio by accident. There's the horns that are doing all that. Let me over you. I don't know. I didn't think I'd be getting off for a while, but I'm getting off literally now. I think that I prefer to drive my Scania than this, because this is... It don't feel right not driving the Scania. But then driving the second. Oh my god, of course it's the one that I need to go up. So I have another like extra 6 hours. 3 hours 45 and one. If it goes above 5 hours, I'm literally driving straight back up. Oh fuck. I'll try and deal with it. You know what, I could have just done a U-turn right there, because I'm literally going straight back around and now we're back into Liverpool. There's a truck right beside me. Oh. You know, I'm gonna have a bit of a break in Liverpool so that I can study again or my God! And that is why I will literally get in the middle of the roundabout next time. Instead of being in the lane like that, I'll be in the lane like that. I'm trying to pop my trailer in now. Well, then I also need to make it around that turn end of it, so I didn't know about that. What? I guess the next thing to do is pay their service. Oh, and that's be enough room. So I guess I'll leave it there. Yeah, there's definitely enough room. Park alongside my favourite DAF. DAF is not my favourite brand, by the way. Luckily you don't get fines for blasting your horns late at night in this, if you do in real life. Yeah, so this looks pretty nice. I'm gonna just raise that for now. But just hopefully I'll remember to put it down in the $8 o'clock in the morning. Shall I leave it the thingy parked here while I take it to the services? No, I'll get it now. I kind of want to see how it'll go. Beacons on, axle down. It's gonna hit. Please don't hit. It didn't at all. Right. Let's somehow get us out of here without hitting anything. It did hit the curb a bit. I think that went pretty well. Now let's take it to the services. I was about to say and take it home, but I still need to do this job. I mean, is there really anything to do? I could, like, I could just turn it into a sleeper cab. Yeah, I would have lost all of that and that if I would have done that, so I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm going to get it repaired, because it really needs a repair. I've been filming for 27 minutes. 28. I did not mean to do that. No.
Okay, normal. Yeah.
Stop!
Suck Molly. Yeah, why try to got my hand?
Anyway, you just got like 2 minutes of turns for my name system. What? Oh, forget it. Brought access to this road, yeah. Whatever's ahead. I'm not scared of. I could have literally done that right from the start. Why am I like using my indicators if I'm on a literally an empty road? I'm in this car right now. Well, why was I using them? Yeah, this has only done 205 miles. And yeah, I'm gonna like try and do as many, not too many miles, I mean, but I don't think I'll be doing much miles in this. What? They expect it on soon. Make sure you arrive on time. Let me just see how long I've got left. 3 hours and 25 minutes. Till I'll be on time. Yeah, I don't think they're gonna get that though. Oh, it did load in for a sec. I was about to say, no way I'm crossing that. Because otherwise I'm literally losing everything. Oh, I don't know if I would have. A wide road, is it? Savage. Now I get why the road was closed. That's... Oh. Well, if I'm close to... I better not be too close. Oh, I'm too close to Liverpool. I'll end up going back. Yeah, I don't think they'll... Yeah, I think maybe actually maybe stuff. Like, yeah, I think yeah, I'll literally take me back to Liverpool. I guess wait on here. Yeah, so sadly I feel like I will have to end the video there. Off camera I'll try and figure out a way to get back. But yeah, of course if you did enjoy watching, be sure to subscribe, as it's I hate it. I hate doing that. Like pointing that way. But it's on the other side. So yeah, make sure you subscribe there. Watching my most recent video down there, which no doubt will be your truck sim vid, and I think I'm gonna start filming a few more reaction videos. So yeah, stay tuned for some of them, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.